Monday. Welcome back to Cooking Monday. We are going to be cooking on Monday. So welcome back to Cooking Monday with your family.
Yes, welcome back for another Cooking Monday with the Elite family. We are so excited to give you guys another interesting video today. So today's video is going to be all about cooking Nigerian Party Jollof rice. So I'm going to introduce you to the ingredients that we'll be using. Those I already cooked it, and here is the video before I blended it. Yes, so this is already cooked. It's already blended and it's cooked. As you can see, I have this napkin under it because it's still warm. This is what we're going to be using for the jollof. So before we measure, we're going to be using jasmine rice, shall we?
So this is jasmine rice. A lot. I don't even know the measurements. Oof, sorry. But I will be measuring it. So let's go. No, actually we can go over to the
Okay, so these are the season I'm going to be using. Here we have thyme. This is dry thyme. I'm going to be cooking the goat meat with. This is salt. Curry, you have to add some curry to the goat when you are cooking it.
This is oil.
Yeah, this is virgin oil. So yeah.
This is leaves.
Yeah, this is bay leaf.
But what is bay leaf?
Yeah, bay leaf, we're going to be putting this inside the oven. And this is mangi cube, but it's already powdered mangi. And this is chicken powder, chicken mangi. I use it to season the goat. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end so that you see how to make Nigeria Party Jollof and asu. Before we do that, Shewa is going to measure the rice.
Oh, okay. I thought you forgot.
I know. Can I see it? Let's see. I always, back home in Africa, we don't measure. We just use our eyes to gauge. We don't use all this measuring cup. Who does that? So, yeah, now I think this amount, 5 cups, is okay. We are using this much. You might cook it as many quantity, very small, but I want leftover for the kids to take to school tomorrow. So, let's start the cooking. So now the sauce is ready because the tomatoes are already boiled completely dry, just like this. So it doesn't have to stay long on the fire, maybe 6 minutes. So I'm going to pour it. First, we're going to mix it up to see if it's not too much because you don't want it to be over. Season. So now it's been properly mixed. So just add little more water just to cover it because the rice is raw. So just add little water. And now we're going to cover it with foil paper. This is ready to go in the oven. So this is the process Nigerian
Party Jollof.
Nigerian Party Jollof. So we mixed it now, so it's ready to go
In the
oven. If you made it this far, a big thank you.
And a big shout out to you.
Yeah. So let's keep watching. Open the oven for me, Mama.
And you want to preheat your oven.
So the oven is on 250. I don't know the type of oven you are using, but you want to do it on bake. So we are baking it.
Much later.
So now we're going to check the jollof for the first time to see.
An hour later.
We're back. So let's see how far. It's very tasty.
Hi love, I'm behind the camera.
That's Cheryl. So count for me.
3, 2, 1.
I could see. Oh, it's smelly. Yeah. Come, zoom the camera. Come and zoom the camera. Come over here.
Okay, this one's really good.
This is Nigerian
I got it.
Party Jollof.
Like,
Come on, look at it. Look at the color. See how nice it came. You see?
the camera isn't
So be
doing
careful. This
justice.
thing is very hot.
It's way more orangey in real life. The camera, I don't know why I'm making it pale, but trust me, it looks so good.
Yeah.
So when you make it, it's gonna look so good.
Yeah. Did you see this? This is Nigerian Party Jollof.
And it's so good as well.
So I hope you like this video. We'll come back for the final video. Thank you.